Obaseki no give me money. First of all, where Obaseki come from?
Edo.
Benima give me money. Make I just shut up my mouth. Don't talk about the bad road. It's to let you know, say corruption start for government house. I didn't see some lazy youth for abroad, even for Nigeria. Yes, so they talk say they give other money, they pay money. Want to talk about bad road. Benima give me what they call Iboma money. That's to show say the person when they tell you the word is corrupt. See, I will say Governor Obaseki rule well. Tell me the reason why so many schools today no get roof. So many bad road full everywhere. See Ogege road, see Peanut road. Now I don't mind live for that place. Benima rule those states where they dirty. Tell me where governor come from. Make governor show you a family house. The past governor, so show you what he do and family house. Let me show you. Even some road for a family house. Even some people that support the governor self, the entire road reach their house. Now it stop. That is wickedness. Now Benima spoil those states. I beg. They don't give me shut up money. I only do hard VAT for them. The time we high swing and this governor so they fight for power.
Mac don't clear the hair because of the word when they hear every time say our ex-governor, Governor Obaseki, give her money. In talk say Governor Obaseki not give her any money. Now only add VAT they pay him for. Making to add VAT for Aswe Igodalo. I go leave una make we listen to Brother Mike. He exposed some kind things for this very video. And also make una beg. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Blog Gist TV for more.
So, bro, man, that's how you be. So, Obaseki give you shut up money, billions. May you not dey talk about the bad roads for Edo State. That's how you be. Why?
Obaseki no give me money. First of all, where Obaseki come from?
Edo.
Benima give me money. Make I just shut up my mouth. Don't talk about the bad road. It's to let you know, say corruption start for government house. I didn't see some lazy youth for abroad, even for Nigeria. Yes, so they talk say they give other money, they pay money. Want to talk about bad road. Benima give me what they call Iboma money. That's to show say the person when they tell you the word is corrupt. See, I will say Governor Obaseki rule well. Tell me the reason why so many schools today no get roof. So many bad road full everywhere. See Ogege road, see Peanut road. Now I don't mind live for that place. Benima rule those states where they dirty. Tell me where governor come from. Make governor show you a family house. The past governor, so show you what he do and family house. Let me show you. Even some road for a family house. Even some people that support the governor self, the entire road reach their house. Now it stop. That is wickedness. Now Benima spoil those states. I beg. They don't give me shut up money. I only do hard VAT for them. The time we high swing and this governor so they fight for power. Even when they sell ice cream give them, people when me say, but I'm like, stop that rubbish. You see, they see the man a Lagos man. So now Governor Obaseki make ice cream lose. You see, so it's a shame say city governor who you blink come lose. You see, that's what it be. So I be asking me that question. They tell me say they give me money. Stop man. All those lazy youths for abroad who know give work. Say they give me shut up money. No be shame. Benima give me shut up money. They're supposed to stone that Benima to death. So that's what it be. So I be asking me that thing I beg.
Brother Michael, wetin I swear do you? I hear say now you take imagine now you make I swear not win this election. Why? Wetin do you?
Now me make I swear no win election.
Now wetin they talk they go now?
Now see all those rumors and all those things they come out from all those people who be say the past governor they pay assurance for abroad who know they work. So no say as they lose now they prepare for body. So tomorrow you go say I want to show more the worker for road. Politicians don't fight, and the support as they fight. Not the reason why what's the benefit from the government. So I swear for no lose. I will say this state they very okay. Who they fight for? I swear they are abroad. Why the main people who they for here they feed the heat? No fight for I swear. Why are there no protest and say they thief their mandate? So all those Zoomers when they hear say they give them mic money, this or so many things, and now the mugus, the lazy youths, will depend on the past government to force them. Now them they cry, and then we cry. I celebrate the failure of them. So you go be listening to this government right now. If on the Wevolo no see who where, the person go see blink come go see fail. That's what it be. So Edo is our father's land, and Edo man the rule am. No be Yoruba man the rule this state too. No be Hausa man the rule am. Now Edo man the rule. If this government right now don't see do road, do anything again. He go hustle, who he go break or go also fail. So let high school go and hold the past governor. Because I hear they say they give a Zimbabwe ticket. I don't know. I never for
Zimbabwe ticket that they give him.
And they give him.
Yes.
Like that's me say fee. I tell you mandate. He mandate for Ogege Road.
Ogege Road.
Yes. He mandate they for Peanut Road. He mandate for Luku. He mandate through all the old bad road. Let him go there, go and pack it. Let me so I will even appeal to the court. This will be a lesson to all governors. If you know well who you are bringing come, you will fail. So you will do well, very well. Let me so all those who must be they give me money. They give me money for hard vats. I sell and sell and sell. I don't sell again. As the governor lose, now I come mock him. You know the reason why? I have been crying. The worst thing that can happen to you, that way you make person where they benefit for government as a friend to attack the government to come they hard you because of our friendship. Juju they work these will come from India. If from abroad go India, go pack Juju come. Juju tire for head. It's happening now say yes, the way you will leave your baby, you leave your hair, there will be something behind it. Sans now baby hair leave where Baba come out. This guy go you leave baby leave so many things. Why Juju from that place, sorry. From that place, he touched me. You hear me? So as he touched me, I don't know. I was see go road, no good. Even my motor dey spell for the road. I was he good. He say give me money. No dey shame. Benin man go come give person money. Say I beg go. As my governor corrupt, so no talk. Quiet. Take this money. You see am?
So
that person is corrupt. And you say my man na Emeka Ebo man no. My man na Benin man. Woman he be. Mama come from second.
Your mom na Benin?
Yes! And you say my like na Igbo man, okay fine. Maybe I be Igbo man now. You will be Benin man. Because say I dey expose your government, you can't give me money. Say, but na my cabin shut up. My government is corrupt. We be thief. We know how to the road. Let them don't suffer. My family now they abroad. I can't my children. Everybody go on for this place. Is that not corruption?
A corruption.
That is what that man is fighting against. He don't care about who you be, any big man, he will talk to you. If I come from this person now, with the carry this narrative, say they give them money, you go cry. I mean, so as we lose is a celebration. If the people don't see walk away, we go bring us see lose, we go to celebrate it. I mean, so for now, say my Michael, drag this government. I go drag government. This government, the people need to go to church, because this man, he go suffer for office, because work with this man, with the past governor no do. He go suffer. He no see him. I will say I know. I for meet the people say, leave this your mandate to leave. I don't go run for governor. No the reason why. They do not uncompleted building.
You say?
They do not uncompleted building.
You mean say the past government they not do anything?
He not build it though. He not build now. You hear me so? Just uncompleted building. That's the reason why they run now. You see people who support the past governor. All of them don't for.
No one did the state again.
They don't come off for for internet online. They cry. No the reason why. Government they give them money every month. They pay us rent. Now they cry now. They work. Half for you, they work.
But they say the governor work for the state now. Say if you leave 30 billion for account,
I'll slap you. The governor knows 600 billion. I'll slap you. If
they all 600
billion debt. If not even debt, is good safe. Debt. After when they say ask governor, say, but I carry people land. I don't know.
They say that's why I hear say carry people land.
So my advice to everybody be saying the people who they cry now say those men lose are the enemy of the land. No the reason why Oshomole and Highswell and Obaseki they go stand for table they drink tomorrow, but you they fight a personal fight, enmity fight. You understand me? So my advice to you be saying no matter what you do, 8 years will complete.
Sure.
And if this governor no work for 8 years, we are still coming for him. Me so now so you be. So I swear sorry. Mother Pueblo, go church, go pray. I see for church every time. Go pray because you go suffer for that seat because they don't have completed building and you have to finish them. Finish half of the building so that you can't finish them. But if you don't do well, we go drag you to. I beg, let me make us lose. I beg. They give me money for advert. I do only 5 video for advert. If that governor go now, they define advert. That time when I do you full am. If you catch up with me, go Baba come on.
So then you juju for you work.
Baby, that baby now juju. They just skip that baby come on.
Thank you.